Hi, Mary Lucia. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live streaming. Okay, today we are going to make the letter S. Hello, Fabiana. Hello, Shana Blue. Happy to see you. We are make the letter S today. So S, there are different ways to make the letter S. First, we are going to make the first way of the letter S. We are going to wrap a loop here. This is the first way, and we're going to fold it like here, this one. Then here, tight the plier here, and go to fold it the another side, and your plier position at here, and bend it here. Okay, so this is one way of the big S. Then let's go the next for the little S. Okay, here, fold it here, and then here we'll go to fold it back, and tight. Okay, and fold tight here, and fold, then fold it back here. Okay, okay, so this one, the letter S, the big one, and the small one here. The bigger S and the little S here, you can see the bigger S and the little S. Hi, happy to see you. Hi, Snake, happy to see you. Hello, Maggie's. Little long time no see. So here we are make the S. This is one of the way to make the S. Then let's go to try another way make the letter S. There are two different way make the letter S. Here, cut. Okay, two way to wrap the letter S. Here, the first, we are fold a little loop here. This one. Then we are touch here, and bend it this way. Okay. Then touch at this part, and fold it here. It's like make the letter 8 here. Looks like make the 8 here. So this one is another S, and then we go make the little S. Little S we make like this way. Fold it to the back, tight, and here, fold. After fold, then bend. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the two different way make the S. So this way make a S, and this way make a S. Which way you like? Yeah, which way you like? Yeah, which way you like for the S? Yeah, we have two different way wrap the S. You can check which way that you prefer. Here, thank you. Two way